Hey guys, this is your Jumbo. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button. And for those who are my regular viewers, welcome back to the channel. 10th of July is the date today, and we are seeing things that we never thought we are ever going to see before here in the Republic of Kenya. If there is a law that we thought we cannot sink to, we are now digging deep inside Turkana to find that oil as a people of the Republic of Kenya. Kenya Power and Lightning Company, KPLC. By the way, lighting, I'm a lightning. May I call it lightning? Kenya Power and Lightning Company, KPLC, came out late at night on the 9th of July kusema ya kwamba the 15 transformers that they removed from Mbeere North and moved them to Olkalau were taken away because of 14 of them needed routine maintenance, preventive maintenance, and one of them had been vandalized. Now, I am not an electrical engineer. Most of my viewers are not. And if you are an electrical engineer, go into the comments and tell us, transformer ni nini kwanza, and the cost of a transformer, sawa, how regularly transformers break down and need preventive maintenance, sawa, and how much areas do or capacity can transformers hold, sawa, because even if we are not electrical engineers, that means we are not stupid. A lot of us have grown up around electricity, especially since after Kibaki came in and became president, and he brought electricity everywhere, including my own village of Sagala in Taita Taveta County, where I grew up in the 90s bila stima. Tulikuwa tunasoma na ile pressure lamp. Sawa, kwa wale ambao I don't know, older viewers mnakumbuka pressure lamp ile ya kupump namna hii, alafu kukakuwa na zile taa za mafuta ya taa ya kawaida, those lamps za kawaida za mafuta ya taa. I have used Korobois to read. Koroboi ni ka container kadogo hivi, kakona a week. Sawa, a week, a single week, and then unaasha hivi, it is smoky, you know, you suffocate too much carbon dioxide that is emitted from those things. I mean, so by the time stima ikikuja Sagala, sawa, I have seen transformers being installed in Sagala. I know a transformer, like for example, pale kwetu, because we have, it is only domestic use, there is no commercial use, sawa, transformer ikiharibika, it is the whole of Sagala, hatuna stima. Okay, not the whole of Sagala, but it is a big chunk of the village. In fact, I think the whole of Terry depend on one transformer. So, and since electricity came to us in the late 2000s, yes, because electricity iletwa to the late 2000s, hapo 2009 kuingia 2010. So, I do not remember a situation whereby my father told me hatujakuwa na stima for 1 week because transformer ilipuka na Kenya Power hawajakuja kurepair ama kureplace. Or there is no single event whereby a transformer was removed, sawa, from Sagala ipelekwe sijui Voi ama Nairobi kufanywa repairs. So Kenya Power coming out late at night on the 10th of July to say that, look, 14 transformers were removed from Mbeere North kwenda kufanywa preventive maintenance is not just a lie. It is an insult to citizens of the Republic of Kenya. It is an insult to the people of Mbeere North. It is an insult. We know the transformers were removed from Mbeere North and they were taken to Olkalau as a bribe for the voters of Olkalau to vote for the UDA candidate, chama ya President Ruto. Like President Ruto is treating the Olkalau by-election is like this is the end of the world. That if UDA loses this election, sawa, dunia itasimama na sisi tushuke. Wakenya tushuke sote, iendelee dunia bila Wakenya. These Kenya Power people even went to a further extent of publishing pictures on their Twitter page of them reinstalling at 8:33 p.m., around 8 p.m., of them installing a transformer, I don't know where, in Mbeere North. And why? Because you have been caught in a lie. You, President Ruto, you lied to the people of Mbeere North that you're installing electricity for them. And this was just early 2026, January, February, during the by-election in Mbeere North. So, a few months ago, barely 6 months ago, kumbe, you had no plan of bringing these people electricity. Your only plan was to lie to them that you're bringing them electricity. Sasa sahi umepatikana na another campaign battle ya Olkalau. Unakaa hivi ukaangalia jamaa ukasema, you know what, this is our Kenya, unajua wanakuanga wajinga. They don't have akili, hawana akili. So hiyo transformer ya Olkalau, tueni huko, pelekeni wapi? The transformers are very expensive. And that is why Kenya Power doesn't have money to buy new transformers. Sawa, wapeleke Olkalau within this short period. That is why wataenda Mbeere North wangoe zile. And this begs the question, why would President Ruto do this? Why? Let me tell you why. And I have told you this on this channel a million times. If you are new here, welcome to this channel. President Ruto hates you. You are a Kenyan, he hates you. Yeah. As long as you are a Kenyan, President Ruto is disgusted by you. President Ruto looks at you and he sees a cow. Anakuona wewe ni mjinga, hauna akili na hakuna pahali ambapo unaendelekea kimaisha. And that is why he will say, ya chukweni transformer pelekeni huku, panga namna hii, waambia watu tunaleta last mile connectivity na hiyo upuzi ingine, alafu wakishapiga kura UDA, toa peleka Olkalau. He sees you, as long as you are a Kenyan, President Ruto anaona ng'ombe. Anakamua maziwa na hakulishi. And then jioni anakuja kuuliza hii ng'ombe kwa nini haitoi maziwa. He just squeezes and squeezes and squeezes. And then he steals. And then he loots and loots and loots. And the people who question him, the people who defy, the people who resist his nonsense, they are called terrorists, they are called anarchists, they are abducted, they are tortured, wanauawa, mpigwa marisasi ya kichwa kwa mitaani hapa. That is President Ruto for you. He hates you. He's disgusted by Kenyans. Like akituona hivi, he feels like vomiting, like angalia takataka. Hizi maumbwa. Look at these dogs. And that is why he has the ability kuenda Mbeere North, angushe transformers, apigiwe kura, watu waingize bunge wa UDA, alafu akai hivi aseme hapana, tueni hizo pelekeni wapi? Because akai hivi anaangalia nyinyi wajinga bwana. Mimi nawapanga tu namna hii. Nawaambia SHA hivi, nawaambia education vile, alafu mimi naenda naiba kila kitu. Steal everything from them. That is President Ruto for you. So the people of Olkalau, enjoy your electricity mko nayo. It will only last you 2-3 months. It will last you 2-3 months, believe it or not. Only miezi 2 ya 3 tunangoa hiyo, tunapeleka wapi? A new place. Nenda tunapanga namna hii. Anasemanga tunapanga namna hii. That is what he normally does in public, and I'm sure in private it is the same thing. But in private he adds words like, you know, hizi ni ng'ombe au ni wajinga. You know, kuna Mkenya kuna akili, they don't understand anything. So, Kenya Power have been caught in a lie, and now they are running backwards fall over themselves to try and pretend that whatever happened in Mbeere North is normal. It is not normal. You cannot talk about preventive maintenance, and I'm talking as someone who is a layman. I'm not an engineer. I have no idea about engineering. But you cannot talk about preventive maintenance and you're moving 14 transformers. 14 transformers. This is the whole county. Yeah, vandalism now. Let me leave you with the vandalized transformer. Even though it is still highly improbable for a transformer to be vandalized in Mbeere North. Hata huko Nairobi, it is very difficult to vandalize transformers. Ile kitu mtu akishika vibaya, someone who doesn't know what a transformer is, unakuwa electrocuted immediately. And let me tell you. Sawa, The person who is in high public office, the president of the Republic of Kenya, is a thief. I'm not making an allegation. This is a fact. He's a thief. He loots our taxes. Every day he comes up with new avenues of how he's going to steal from us. So, and then when we resist this theft and looting, the only thing he has against us is a gun and violence. He uses excessive violence, abducting young Kenyans, torturing them. So I am following up the case of Moses Munuve, a guy who published Flight Radar 24 details of his flight plans. He's now being accused of being a terrorist. These guys, this is President Ruto for you. Anakuchukia, wewe ni Mkenya, he hates us. He cannot wait for him to finish stealing from us so he can go and retire in Dubai for the rest of his life. And aka enjoy hizo billions zake huko zenye ametuibia. But let me tell you, President Ruto, Kenyans are coming after you. We are going to recover each and every cent that you are stealing from us. Each and every cent that you are looting from us. Each and every life that has been taken away from a family. You are going to pay for it in jail. Guys, this is your Jomba Mobili Mogodi. I am going to Olkalau to cover this by-election on July 16th. 0799428109 is my M-Pesa number. Please help me to fund this trip. I have accommodation, I have transport, I have meals, and I have facilitation fees ya kulipa wale vijana wa boda boda na vijana wangu wa kunizungusha the whole county of constituency of Olkalau. Thank you very much. Continue the conversation ndani ya comments hapo chini. Like, share with your friends and family around the world. Asanteni. Thank you.